Thank you so much for those of you that commented and have reached out to me since I did my post yesterday about having fibromyalgia and the vulnerability around that. I really do appreciate it. So I just wanted to come in here and tell you why I am doing what I'm doing and what my mission is. So my mission is to help people like myself with fibromyalgia have a life of sweatless ease. And what does that mean? Well, for many years, Keith and I have spoken about escaping the normal, and it just looked different. We never ever thought that we would find ourselves on the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Yes, there's lack of ADC, but this was not part of our plans. This was not part of any of our plans, and it all happened really quickly. So, long story short, we've moved here, and it's been 3 years in March already. So when I got here, obviously I had resigned, and because we thought we were going to Vancouver, and a friend offered me a job, and I was a personal assistant. Once I worked for 6 months, I realized that I was in pain all the time. The one day Keith just said to me, you've been moaning like this all the time, so you're going to go tell the doctor exactly all those things. And that's when I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia. And I thought to myself, like, we always put it down to, we did functions with Honey, we carried contact boxes and kit and stock and unpacking. It was a lot of time, and it was like physically, like we carried boxes, lifted things, carried things, catalogs, and. So when we got here, and it was like, I'm doing bugger all, literally. Walk up the steps, walk down the steps. Somebody said, what do you do all day? I'm like, I watch the whales and paint my nails. Anyway, got a job, sat behind a desk, realized that the pain was excruciating and so much more. My neck, everything was sore. Even if I brush my hair now, or brush my teeth, it is the strangest thing. It's like you think you're mad, and then you get diagnosed that you are. So it doesn't really get any better. Anyway, I wanted to just be a cheerleader of dreams. I went on doing digital marketing, saying I want to monetize my sparkly personality. And on the days where it was really tough, I said to Keith, like, I can't even show up. I'm like really battling. I started a brand new TikTok account, and I'm like, it's so hectic. Anyway, I did it, and I showed up. And then the one day Keith just said to me, just talk about fibromyalgia. And I was like, what do you mean? So he said, well, all the things that you are doing and the people that you want to help should be the people that are like you, because that's what you keep saying. And I'm like, yeah, but we are so friggin' programmed to doing what we always do. So then I had to compare, and I was like, okay, well, let me take a listen and let me take a look at this thing. And the worst thing I could have done is told anybody, because they're all like, wanna. Meanwhile, I'm trying to create my own business from nothing. It's not like I'm joining a company that is already established. I'm buying a program, and then in there, they teach you skills on how to start your own business. That's what you do. Start your online business. Here are the skills. Here are the tools, and then you go do what you need to do. So there were 4 digital marketing programs I could have bought, and according to my skill set, that is how you earn. So you can earn $100 a day because you've got the blueprint for that, or you've got the $300 or $600 or $900. Then I thought, okay, well, I want everything. If you have been brainwashed by multi-level marketing at all, not brainwashed, but if you know what you know, and if you're a business person and an entrepreneur like me, you don't want a bit of the cake, you want the whole friggin' thing. So I was like, I need to go for the biggest package. I want to know everything. I'm going to do analysis, paralysis. I'm going to take this thing apart. I'm going to get challenged by people and. And all it is, it's marketing. It's digital marketing. So do you know what happens to companies when they go out in the beginning? They market themselves. So I was trying to market myself. I am marketing myself. And guess what? If you do what they do, you'll have what they have. If you do what they do, you'll have what they have. So followed the system. And then I said to a friend, are you keen to take a look? And that is more, and we do this business together. So we only started Hope and Hustle Blueprint 3 months in, because now when we were like, oh my gosh, this is opening up other doors of opportunity. So it is not multi-level marketing, and it is not direct selling. When a friend introduced me to this, she knew that I was going to buy the program. That's the only reason she bought it, and she hurried up about it, because she knew that she was going to get her money back. Why? Because she earns 100% profit, okay? This is going to be backwards. But if you want to join me on a live, you can comment live. I do this. It's like a presentation every day. Comment live and I'll send you the link. You can join me. It's a presentation. So remember, in the days where you'd have to go to an opportunity meeting and then you'd have to go on a Zoom call and then you'd have to wait for somebody to arrive, none of that. All you're going to do is we'll show you the system. There's a blueprint. We are leveraging successful entrepreneurs, leverage of other people's efforts where it's mutually beneficial. So now I can take my 16 years of showing people how to create vision boards, how to achieve those seemingly unattainable dreams and goals. I can now show them through a process and a system where they don't have to rely on friends and family. You really don't. We can show you how to do what we do so that you can have what we have. So what do I have? I've got time freedom. I've got the opportunity to say at nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I've got 3 spoons left, and I'm going to use these spoons very wisely for the rest of the day. So it's to say, what have you got, and how can you use your spoons by leveraging off other people's efforts? I'm here to say you can leverage off me. I'm here to help other people to leverage off me. So if you would like to journey, my why is to help other people with fibromyalgia, and I want to help people that just need some hope for the future. I know that when we went through everything that we have gone through, we just needed an opportunity like we needed oxygen. And I've looked at this and studied it, and oh my gosh, overanalyzed it so badly, where it's just, you are going to purchase a program according to what you can afford. Please don't get suckered into anything. You're going to buy, and then you can upgrade. Guess what? You can start with a little bit and you can work it up. I waited to get the full thing because I needed the whole thing, but you know what? You can't eat the whole elephant at once anyway. So I had to do the small steps to get to the big steps. So that is me. Today I'm having a good day. I'm very excited that I'm having a good day. I don't know what tomorrow brings. I've got 3 spoons left, and I want to say you can leverage off other people's efforts where it is mutually beneficial. I know what I want. I know where I'm going. My vision is so super clear, and I would love to help you to get what you want so that you can thrive in 2025. Have an awesome day.